Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at the Selerb NAD supplement for men, a 13-in-1 formula designed to boost energy, circulation, and overall male wellness. Because apparently, being a man these days requires a baker's dozen of ingredients just to function. It combines heavy hitters like liposomal NAD, CoQ10, and nitric oxide boosters to help with metabolism and muscle stamina. It's even vegan and non-GMO, so you can feel morally superior while trying to fix your blood flow. The product is listed on Amazon, which is a decent sign that it's not just mystery powder manufactured in someone's garage. The brand is surprisingly transparent, openly listing ingredients like zinc picolinate and L-carnitine, so you actually know what you're putting into your body. They suggest taking 2 capsules daily with a meal for about 8 to 12 weeks. That's a 3-month commitment to a pill, which is longer than most New Year's resolutions last, but at least they provide a clear roadmap for your wellness journey. Now, let's talk about the reviews. On their own website, they claim a perfect 5-star rating. Because we all know that in the history of the internet, no one has ever had a bad day or a late package, right? Over on Amazon, the rating sits at a more believable 4.6 stars. Most users are happy, reporting better energy and wellness, though a few mention the capsules are a bit large. If you have trouble swallowing something the size of a small boat, you've been warned. Overall, Selerb seems like a solid, legitimate choice for those looking to boost their stamina and health. It's transparent, generally well-regarded, and keeps consumer safety in mind. That's it for today's breakdown. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe, or just keep scrolling. I'm not the boss of you. See you in the next one.